is Esther Wheeler, and I am the owner and manager of the Hook and Needle Nook. And for beginning crocheters, it's awfully hard to get the chain even. So I'm going to show you how to do that today, and it's pretty simple. What you want to do is get the loop about the size of the diameter of the stem on your hook, and just hold the base of the stitch like that before you take the yarn over and pull it through the needle. So grab, throw, pull, grab, throw, pull, grab, throw, pull. And you can see you are much more likely to get some nice even stitches if you will give the yarn a chance to fit around the diameter of the hook, and if you will hold the stitch that you just made until you make the other stitch. Just move your fingers up and grab the stitch. And that's all there is to it.